Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some treasured home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Treasured home decorating is a style that fills a home with meaningful, sentimental, and well-loved items, rather than decorating only with trendy or expensive pieces. The focus is on creating a space that tells your story through objects you truly value. Here are some beautiful tips for creating a treasured home decorating style. Decorate with meaningful pieces. Display items that tell your story, such as family heirlooms, handmade crafts, or cherished gifts. Use warm, comforting colors, soft creams, warm whites, shades green, dusty blue, muted pink, and earthy browns. Create a welcoming atmosphere. Layer cozy textiles. Add knitted throws, quilted blankets, embroidered pillows, and natural fiber rugs for warmth and texture. Display treasured collections. Showcase favorite books, antique tea cups, pottery, baskets, or vintage glassware in cabinets or on open shelves. Choose natural materials. Decorate with solid wood, wicker, linen, cotton, stone, and ceramic pages for timeless charm. Include fresh or dried flowers. Arrange seasonal blooms, lavender, eucalyptus, or wildflowers in simple glass or ceramic vases. Keep each room personal. Instead of filling every space with trendy decor, choose items that reflect your memories, hobbies, and family history. Give antiques a place to shine. Instead of hiding vintage treasures in storage, let an antique clock, mirror, and cabinet become a focal point in the room. Decorate with handmade items, crochet blankets, knitted cushions, hand-woven baskets, embroidered linens, or pottery add character and sentimental value. Choose timeless furniture. Invest in sturdy wooden furniture in classic designs that can be enjoyed for many years and even passed down to future generations. Use vintage-inspired storage. Store everyday items in wicker baskets, wooden crates, ceramic jars, or glass canisters to keep your home organized while adding charm. Celebrate the changing seasons. Refresh your decor with seasonal flowers, wreaths, pine cones, pumpkins, or cozy blankets, while keeping your treasured pieces on display year-round. Let natural wood age beautifully. Don't worry about every scratch or mark on wooden furniture. Gentle signs of wear often add warmth and remind you of the memories made around those pictures. Create cozy reading or tea corners. Place a comfortable chair, a small wooden table, a soft throw, and a favorite lamp in a quiet corner to create a relaxing space you will enjoy every day. Decorate slowly and intentionally. Instead of buying everything at once, collect pieces over time that truly mean something to you. Our treasured home grows naturally with memories, experiences, and carefully chosen decor. Display family treasures in glass cabinets. Protect and showcase vintage dishes, heirloom china, old books, or collectibles where they can be enjoyed every day. Incorporate meaningful fabrics. Repurpose old quilts, embroidered linens, or lace pages as table runners, pillow covers, or wall decor. Choose decor with history. Visit antique shops, flower markets, or thrift stores for unique pieces that add character and a sense of the past. Showcase favorite books. Display beloved books on shelves, coffee tables, or bedside tables to add personality and warmth to a room. Decorate with treasured traveled finds. Display sovereigns, postcards, maps, or handcrafted items collected during memorable trips. Add fresh scents. Use scented candles, dried lavender, eucalyptus, or pearls of potpourri to create a comforting and nostalgic atmosphere. Use decorative trays for keepsakes. Group small treasured items such as vintage keys, jewelry, watches, or small collectibles on a tray for a neat display. Leave room for future memories. Treasure decorating isn't just about the past. Keep space for new handmade gifts and meaningful items that will become tomorrow's treasures. Create a family heritage corner. Dedicate a small space to displaying old heirlooms, handwritten recipes, or cherished keepsakes. Mix different textures. Combine linen curtains, woven baskets, wooden furniture, ceramic vases, and soft knit blankets for a rich, cozy look. Use vintage mirrors. An edged mirror with a decorative frame adds character while reflecting natural light around the room. Decorate with meaningful collections. Whether isn't antique clocks, teapots, postcards, or handmade pottery. Group similar items together for a curated display. Bring nature indoors. Add potted plants, fresh branches, dried flowers, or bowls of pine cones to make your home feel calm and connected to nature. Refresh inherited furniture. Clean and restore older furniture while preserving its original charm instead of replacing it with something new. Choose classic window treatments. Linen or cotton curtains in soft neutral colors create a timeless, elegant backdrop for treasured decor. Use decorative boxes and baskets. Store letters, craft supplies, or family mementos in beautiful containers that are both practical and attractive. Display items you use and love. Keep favorite tea cups, handmade mugs, treasured cookbooks, or beautiful serving dishes where they are easy to use and enjoy every day. Highlight a cherished page. Let on meaningful item such as an antique cabinet, vintage clock, or handmade quilt become the focal point of the room. Decorate with open baskets. Use natural wicker or rattan baskets to store blankets, magazines, or firewood while adding warmth and texture. Display heirloom china. Arrange vintage plates, tea cups, or serving dishes on open shelves or in a glass front cabinet. Add timeless floral patterns. Incorporate floral wallpaper, cushions, or curtains in soft, classic prints for a gentle, nostalgic feel. Use wooden trays on tables. Style coffee tables or dining tables with a wooden tray holding candles, books, flowers, and small keepsakes. Mix mantles with care. Combine edged brush, copper, and old iron accents for a collected, timeless appearance. Thanks for watching the video.